announced that Clipper Logistics would be contracted to provide a portal for community healthcare partners like local authorities and social care providers to order PPE for their staff. Can he confirm what the value of the contract awarded to Clipper was and how many items of PPE it has delivered?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I don't have those figures to hand, but the delivery of PPE through this portal has been a very important part of the response in some parts of the country, and I'm very glad that thanks to incredible hard work of thousands of people, public sector and private, we have managed to deliver now 2 billion items of PPE, and that the very sharp spike in demand for PPE has now been met with a very sharp increase in supply.
Drew Percy.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Can I thank care home workers in my constituency? I've been called out to patients a number of times in my role in the ambulance service in care homes over this period, and seeing staff in full PPE, lockdown, I'm absolutely full of admiration without the support they normally get from families. So I want to thank them for that. Just very quickly on the issue of nurses. My trust to catch up will require a large number of overseas nurses as well as training new ones. Part 2 of those nurse NMC qualifications have to be completed within 3 months, but some of those test centres are not open yet. So can we look into whether that can be extended or whether we can get these test centres open and the backlog cleared?
Well, yes, Mr. Speaker, the whole House should pay tribute to my honourable friend's work as a first responder during this crisis. He has first-hand experience of the matters of which he speaks, and the particular issue that he's raised is not one that's been previously drawn to my attention, but we are doing everything we can to hire nurses, and we're seeing the results of that. More than 10,000, more than 12,000 more nurses than this time last year in the NHS. Well on our way to the 50,000 more nurses over this Parliament, on which everybody on this side of the House was elected. And I'll look into the particular issues he raises and try to solve the problem.